Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 7th class algebraic expressions, that is addition and subtraction of like terms. I have already explained you about what are like terms, what are unlike terms. Like terms will have same variable with the same power. Unlike terms, they don't have same variables. Sometimes even if they have same variables also, powers may differ. So accordingly, suppose you have got x in one term, x square in another term, we cannot consider them as like terms. So in this way, we can identify whether they are like terms or unlike terms. I have even explained about it in detail in the previous video. Now I am dealing with additions. You have got do these sums, children. So what are these do these sums? First one, find the sum of the following of the like terms. So they have already given the terms as like terms. You have to add 5x and 7x. So sum means you have to add it 7x. So in this, what you have to do, take x as common. Both of them are having x. 5 plus 7. How much are you getting? X into 12. That is 12x. This is the answer. You can add in this way. This is first bit. And second bit, 7x square y minus 6x square y. See, both of them are having x and y, and x is having power 2 here, here also 2. So these two are like terms. So you need to add. So 7x square y plus, in the bracket, I should write 6x square y. Why? Because you have got plus here, you have got minus here. Never you can write plus and minus side by side. So you need to put it in the bracket. So when you are adding, first 7x square y as it is, we will be taking. Now there is a bracket. Inside the bracket you have minus sign and there is a plus sign here. That means what? You need to multiply the signs and you write. Already you have learnt earlier, two different signs if you are multiplying, you will be getting minus only. Just as a re-verification, I am doing it here, children, for your sake. Minus into minus will be plus, plus into plus will be plus, minus into plus will be minus, plus into minus will be minus. So this part you should remember perfectly well. What are you understanding with this? When you are multiplying two same signs, you will be getting plus only. When you are multiplying two different signs, you are getting minus. So this part, you should have a clear understanding about it. So here, even though it is addition, this is what we call it as algebra here. You have got a lot to do with the signs. So when you are saying the two signs are there, you cannot keep them in together. So you need to put the bracket. When you have kept the bracket means what? You need to multiply the signs. So plus into minus, two different signs according to it. So we'll be getting minus 6x square. Actually, this is find the sum, addition. But in fact, we have got the subtraction. So don't be confused with this. You are adding only. But what happens in this case? Both of them are having plus sign. So directly I could write. Here I cannot write because of the minus sign. So x square y is common. 7 minus 6 I should write. That is x square y into 1. That is x square y is the answer for this bit, children. Please understand very carefully so that you can do the sums by yourself. Now third one, 2m and 11m. So you take 2m plus 11m. In this, m is common. 2 plus 11, that is m into 13. 13m is your answer. This is third bit. Now you have got fourth bit. I'll write fourth here. Fourth is 18AB, 5AB, 12AB. That means I should write 18AB plus 5AB plus 12AB. So in all these, AB is common, 18 plus 5 plus 12. So how much you are getting? AB, if you add 18, 18 means 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15 to 1, 2, 3, 35. So how much you are getting? 35 AB is the answer for this bit, children. So 4 bits I have done, still some more are there. If you note it down, I will do the next part. Now fifth bit, 3 x square minus 7x square comma 8x square. So again here x square is common, 3 you are adding, so plus of minus 7 so x square into 3 plus of minus 7 plus 8. So 2 brackets are there, so better you take a big bracket here. This is equal to x square, it's not visible, children, again I will do. So the problem is you have to add, no, so that is 3x square plus of minus 7x square plus 8x square. So this is equal to x square is common, 3 plus into minus minus 7 plus 8. That is equal to x square. First you add the same signs, 8 plus 3, 11 minus 7. That means x square into 4. 4 x square is the answer. This integers addition also, children, many people will do like this. First they add this, here the minus is there, so minus, and then they add. That is not the correct procedure, children. The correct procedure is same sign once you have to add and put it. The next step should be you should get another value or another sum actually we will be getting with positive ones and negative ones. Only two terms or two elements we will be getting here. Then either add or subtract according to the problem. You can continue it. So this part is very important. If you learn it perfectly well, your algebraical problems will be solved very easily. Now, sixth one, 4m square, 3m square, minus 6m square, m square. So, 4m square plus 3m square plus of minus 6m square plus m square. So in this, m square is common, 4 plus 3 minus 6 plus 1. No number is there means 1 you have to take, don't forget that. M square into, so 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8 minus 6. That is m square into 2. That is 2m square is the answer. Okay, this is sixth one. Now you have seventh one. I'm doing it here. 18pq minus 15pq and 3pq. These are the three monomials they have given. That means 18pq plus of minus 15pq plus 3pq. So this, in this pq is common, 18 minus 15 plus 3. That is equal to pq into 18 plus 3 is 21 minus 15. That is pq into 1 means 11, 11, 20, 11 minus 5 is 6. So 21 minus 15 is 6. 6 PQ. This is the answer. Children, these all are, do this first bits. You copy them. Now the second problem of do this is subtract the first term from the second term. So first bit is 2xy, comma 7xy. So in this you have got first term is 2xy, second term is 7xy. Subtract the first term from the second term. Please carefully read the problem. When you have got this type of problems, usually I have found some children will take this and subtract it. It is not that. After from what is there, that you have to write first. Then the next one. So from 7xy. So 7xy minus 2xy you have to write. Subtraction means you know that. So in this xy is common. 7 minus 2, that is xy into 5. 5xy is the answer. This is first bit. And second bit, 5a square and 10a square. So second term minus first term. So in this a square is common. 10 minus 5, that is a square into 5, 5a square. This is the answer for the second bit. And let us see the third bit. 12y and 3y. So second bit 3y minus first one 12y. So in this common is y. 3 minus 12, that is y minus how much you are getting? 9. Minus 9 it is, because the bigger number is having minus, so minus 9. So minus 9y is the answer. Now fourth bit, 6x square y, 4x square y. So second one first I should write. 4x square y, 4x square y minus 6x square y. So in this common is x square y into 4 minus 6. So x square y into minus 2. Minus 2 x square y is the answer. And only one more bit is there, children. So I will do it here only. Fifth bit. 6xy minus 12xy. So first I should take the second one. So minus 12xy minus 6xy. So common is xy minus 12 minus 6. So you know pretty well xy into both the same signs means you should add. So minus 18 you will be getting. So this is equal to minus 18xy is the answer for this bit. So these are the do this problems, children. Please note it down. Don't get confused. This is the answer of this. Okay, please write down. This is second problem of do this sum. Now we have done about addition and subtraction of like terms. Now we are doing addition and subtraction of unlike terms. Unlike terms, as I said, they will not be having the same variables, or sometimes variables might be same but their powers differ. So accordingly, like terms and unlike terms, you should have a thorough differentiation about like terms and unlike terms. And now we are going to learn how unlike terms should be added or unlike terms should be subtracted. You have got do these sums. let us start do these sums. Simplify the following. So the question that is given to us is simplify the following. Simplify the following. You have to only simplify them. So let us see what are they. The first one is 3m plus 12m minus 5m. Of course, here all are m's. Same variables are there. So you can say that these are all like terms. So in this, what you are going to do? Take m as common. 3 plus 12 minus 5. That is m into 15 minus 5. That is m into 10. 10m is the answer. This you can write. Now, if you see the second bit, 25yz minus 8yz minus 6yz. So here also all are yz's, so this is like term only. So take yz as the common. 25 minus 8 minus 6. So in this case, it's different. According to this, you have two plus signs. Here two minus signs are there. So 25, you take it as it is. You now add two minus signs. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 25 minus 14, that is yz into 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 11yz is the answer for this bit, children. Now let us see third bit. What is the third bit? 10m square minus 9m plus 7m minus 3m square minus 5m minus 8. So in this case, if you see, children, you have got m squares as well as m and a constant term. That means you have got, it is a group of unlike terms. So what you do is, first thing, you put all like terms together. That means I have got 10m square here. So with this m square, is there any m square? Yes, minus 3m square. So this is one common. Plus. Next one is 7m and minus 9m. These are the, and 5m also are there. So minus 9m plus 7m minus 5m. You have kept this in one group. And then see, you have taken this, you have taken this, you have taken this, you have taken this, and also this. Now what is left behind? 8. So this is how you need to group like terms. So when you group like terms, here I will write m square into 10 minus 3, as you have done all this here, plus in this m into minus 9 plus 7 minus 5 minus 8. So the next step is here. See, it's just simple as you have done the earlier problems. Like terms, unlike terms, we have differentiated and we started adding them. So now here m square into 7 plus m into again here 7 minus 14 minus 8. Still you have brackets, you have to open. M square into 7 plus m into minus 7, you will be getting minus 8. So this is 7m square plus into minus minus 7m minus 8. This is the answer. So in this way, if you do, after grouping them, if you carefully do, only the main thing that you need to do while doing algebra is concentration. Concentratingly, because signs are very important, plus and minus, if you don't take care of it, you will go wrong. Afterwards, if you worry also, there is no value at all. So when you are writing itself, be very careful. See, when I have taken a bracket and I took like terms, Next what I should keep a plus, and then minus whatever is there. See here 9 minus is there. Then why Miss has kept a plus? It is because I am going to take minus 9m in the bracket. So if you keep plus, there is no problem. Then all like terms after writing, you know how to differentiating them by taking out a comma variable outside of the bracket. You continue with the problem. Carefully if you do, you will be getting the solution very easily. So for this algebraic additions, subtractions, what all the things that you should have in the mind? First thing, you should have a thorough knowledge about which are like terms, which are unlike terms. Next thing, you should know about the multiplication of the signs, and the next thing is you should know integers addition. If you are perfect with these three topics, the problem solving is very easy for you. So please go through it. These are 3 bits. Still more bits are there. I will be doing in the afterwards. Now, 4th bit, children. 9x square minus 6 plus 4x plus 11 minus 6x square minus 2x plus 3x square minus 2. See, after copying, let us read once again. 9x square minus 6 plus 4x plus 11 minus 6x square minus 2x plus 3x square minus 2. This way of verification is very important, children. In case when you are copying the problem, if you do any mistake in the signs, the entire problem will go wrong. So now let us write like terms together. 9x square, this I have written. Next, minus 6x square. Okay, is there any x square? Plus 3x square. So this all I have kept it in bracket. Plus, next after x square, x, 4x, and then minus 2x. Any x? No. Plus. Next what I should do? Whatever are not are remaining, minus 6 is there. Minus 6 plus 11 and then minus 2. Why did I keep a mark under the numbers, children? It's because you will be damn sure that whatever is given in the problem you have written. Because while arranging, sometimes you may miss any number. So in order to get rid of that, this kind of this small dot if you keep, you will understand that yes, that part is finished, I have copied. So you'll be very confidently you can go to the next step. So here in this x square is common, 9 minus 6 plus 3 plus in this x is common, 4 minus 2 plus add same signs, minus 8 plus 11. Okay, so this is nothing but x square into 9 plus 3, 12 minus 6 plus x into 4 minus 2 is 2 plus minus 8 and plus 11, 3. Okay, so this is nothing but 12 minus 6, x square into 6 plus x into 2 plus 3, that is 6x square plus 2x plus 3 is the answer for this problem, children. This is the way in which you need to do it. I hope I am clear. Let me go to the fifth bit. 3a square minus 4a square b plus 7a square minus b square minus ab. So let us write all together. So first I'll write 3a square, again any a square plus 7a square. Okay, that's all. No a square. Again plus. Next, minus 4a square b. Is there any other a square b? nowhere. So this I have completed. I should close the bracket. So I have done this. Next remaining these two, of course they don't have any like terms. So plus of minus b square plus of minus b square you have to write minus ab. So this is a square common 3 plus 7 plus, okay, here only one thing is there, so directly we will write, that is plus into minus minus 4ab minus 4a square b plus into minus minus b square minus ab. This is equal to a square into 7 plus 3 10 minus 4a square b minus b square minus ab, that is 10a square minus 4a square b minus b square minus ab is the answer for this bit, children. You know, I have one more sum. I need space, so I'll be doing afterwards. I hope I am clear, children. Directly people will write, but step by step if you write, there is no chance of doing any mistake. That is why I have written in this way. Now, sixth bit, children. 5x square plus 10 plus 6x plus 4 plus 5x plus 3x square plus 8. 5x square plus 10 plus 6x plus 4 plus 5x plus 3x square plus 8. So let me write like terms together. 5x square, here I have got plus 3x square is one group. Next 6x plus 5x, that's all, it is in one group. Next plus the numbers 10 plus 4 plus 8. Okay, so I have taken all the elements. So this here x square into 5 plus 3 plus x into 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 12 plus 10 22. So this is nothing but x square into 8 plus x into 11 plus 22. That is 8x square plus 11x plus 22 is the answer. So with this, these sums are completed, children. Please note it down. Now we are going to talk about standard form of an expression. Standard form of an expression means, suppose you have got 3x plus 5x square minus 9. This is not in standard form. Why, children? It is because, I'll write it here, because the powers are not in descending order. The powers of the given value should be in descending order, either descending order or even usually ascending order you don't do it. Usually it should be in descending order only. So if it is in descending order, powers, if you see, here the power of x is 1. Here the power of x is 2. Here there is no x. So when you need to write it, put it in standard form, first in the given expression, you should see what is the highest power. That means already we have discussed about it. That is the degree of the polynomial. So in this the degree is 2. Highest power is 2. So first you have to write that value. And don't think that taking that number along with its sign. You have plus, so you will be taking plus. If you have minus, with the minus only you need to take. So here plus 5x square I should write first. After writing 5x square, the next it is power 2, no? So you have to go for power 1. Power 1 is this 3x. It is having sign plus. So plus 3x. So power 1, after 1 power 0. Power 0 means there should not be any variable, constant term, minus 9. This is in standard form. So which is a not standard form, which is a standard form, you can understand with the help of this children. Standard form of an expression is that expression which contains the powers in descending order. The degree of each and every element should be written in degree of the element, we cannot say. Degree of the polynomial given to you should have the should be taken first. Degree means the highest power. The highest power should be taken first. Next, the next power. Suppose you have got 3 here, 5x cube here. Suppose you have got 3x plus 5x cube minus 9. So in this highest power is x cube. So I have written 5x cube. Actually after x cube power 3, I should get power 2. Is there any power 2? No. So you don't need to bother. After 2 power 1, it is this plus 3x minus 9. This will be in standard form. Understood, children? So you should have a thorough idea that what is the highest power, that should be written first. Next, after this, before actually 3 means before 3 2 should come. It is not given in your problem. So you need not bother. You have to take the next one. If that is there, you write. If that is not there, you have to search for the next one. So whatever lengthy expression that is given to you, only the basic thing that you need to do is seeing the degree of the expression. The highest one you have to write first, then slowly you need to reduce and write. If it is there, you write, otherwise you should go for the next one as I have told you in this example, children. Please note it down. This is about standard form of an expression. Now let us go with the do this problems, children. First, write the following. Expressions in standard form. This is the question. Write the following expressions in standard form. First bit given to you is 3x plus 18 plus 4x square. So how will you write standard form? How will you write the standard format? First 4x square you will be writing, then 3x it is, plus 3x plus 18. So this is the answer for the first one. Second one, 8 minus 3x square plus 4x. So what is the standard form? Standard form, first x square. See, it is having minus. So let us write minus 3x square plus 4x plus 8 is the standard form. Even if you want to, if you feel that I should not have this minus sign, I want only plus sign here, then what you have to do, this can also be written as minus becomes plus when you multiply all the expressions with minus sign, plus 4x plus 8. All these expressions, if you multiply by minus, this minus becomes plus. Minus into minus plus 3x square minus into plus minus 4x minus into plus minus 8. So this can be considered as your answer, or directly you want to write this is the answer. If you want to purify it, this is the answer, children. Okay, next, third bit. Third bit is minus 2m plus 6 minus 3m square. So again, first m square minus 3m square minus 2m plus 6. Again you see you have got minus sign here. So minus in the bracket means you are multiplying the whole thing with minus. All this you have to take as it is with minus. That is minus into minus plus 3m square minus into minus plus 2m minus into plus minus 6. So either this can be considered or this. Both of them are answers. But if you develop this as the practice, it will be useful for the higher classes children. Next, fourth one, y cube plus 1 plus y plus 3y square. As I told you, first power of y is cube 3, so y cube plus 3y square, then y plus 1. This is the standard form. Okay, the standard form is this. So these are the 4 bits for the first one, children. Please note it down. Now, identify the expressions that are in standard form. This is the question. So you have to observe this and say whether it is in standard form. What did we understand? In standard form, the power of the variable, highest power of the variable should be written first, and the number next power should be in descending order, and there should be a constant term. That also is very important. Without a constant term means a term without x or without any variable. If that is not there also, you cannot consider it as a standard form. So let us see the problems given to us and analyze whether it is in standard form or not. So answer I am writing here, see children. First one, see x square, x standard. So this is in standard form. First one is standard one. Second one, see they are not in an order, so we cannot consider it as in the standard form. Third one, of course, you have got some variable with some power. Other powers are not there, and the standard one is also is there. So third one is in, that is a constant element is there and variable is there. It is written in an order only, so it is in standard form. If he would have given 7 plus 9x square, it would not have been in constant standard form. But now properly it is given, so it is in standard form. And the fourth one, 9x cube, 15x and 3. It means what? There is no x square value here. The variable x is not having power 2. So you have got this 3, next power is 1, next 3. Of course, this is in standard form because constant term is there and the powers are written in ordered form. So fourth one is this. And fifth one, see, square here, cube here, it is not in standard form. And sixth one, x square y and xy, the power is reduced here. It is same but doesn't matter, here power is reduced. So degree means 2 plus 1, 3. So 1 plus 1, 2, 3 and 2 reduced. And standard form is there. So sixth one also you can take it as a standard form. Seventh one, if you see, of course the powers are in descending order 3, 2, 1 and x also 2 and 1. But where is the constant term? It is not there. So we cannot consider seventh one as the standard form. So 1, 3, 4, 6 are the standard forms. And the third bit here is write 5 different expressions in standard form, your own ones. So let me write one, that is 7x cube minus 3x plus 4. I can write it is in standard form. And second one, ax square plus bx plus c, also you can take it is in standard form. And third one, 15x to the power of 4 minus 13x square plus 12. I can take this also in standard form. And fourth one, 7x cube plus 2x square plus x minus 3. This is also you can write because all the variables are written in descending order. And fifth bit, your own wish children, you need not take this. 6x to the power of 9 minus 7x cube plus 9x square minus 3. I can write it also in standard form. Anything you can write, children. You are at liberty. You can write anything that you want. So please note it down. This is about the standard forms and the exercises of standard form. Now, since we have learnt about what are like terms, what are unlike terms, how to add like terms, how to add or how to subtract like terms, how to add and subtract unlike terms, and also the standard forms. The next part which we need to do is you have to find the value of the given expression. An expression will be given to you and some value for the variable will be given to you. You need to substitute that and find out its value. Very, very, very important topic, children. This will be continued to you with till 10th class. So, initial step, keep it properly, firmly, so that you will not find any difficulty in doing any chapter in your 10th class also. So, let us see example 1. What is given here in example 1? It is find the value of 3x square if x is equal to 1, minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. So they are asking to find out 3x square value where x is equal to minus 1. What does this implies? 3 into x square. In the place of x, keep minus 1 whole square. That is 3 into minus plus 1. That is 3 is the answer. So simple, children, it is. Now, example 2 I will be doing. Example 2, find the value of x square minus y plus 2 if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. If x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1, x square minus y plus z, where they have given x value as 0 and y value as minus 1. So, x square minus y plus z can be written as, better you write one below the other so that it will be easy for you to write. See, in the place of x, I should keep 0. 0 square minus, in the place of y, I should take minus 1. See, children, very carefully. This minus is minus of this problem. This minus is minus of the value given to you. So, two minuses side by side you cannot write. So, I have put it in bracket. Plus, it is 2, children, not z. This is 2. Let me write it 2 properly so that it will be easy for you to understand. This is 2. So, plus 2. So, 0 square is 0, minus into minus plus 1 plus 2. So, 2 plus 1, 3 is the answer for this problem, children. So, very simple ones, very carefully if you do, you will be getting them very easily. Please note it down. Now, children, example 3. In this example 3, they have given the problem. Area of the triangle is given by A is equal to half BH. This is the problem formula of area of triangle they have given. If B is equal to 12 and H is equal to 7 centimeters, find the area. So let us write first formula. Area A is equal to half B into H. And they have given B value is 12 H value is 7. 12 centimeters, 7 centimeters. So this is equal to half into. Here into actually the meaning no sign, no plus or no minus means multiplication. Half into, in the place of B I'll write 12, in the place of H I'll write 7. So 2 ones are 2 6 are, that is 6 into 7, 42. So area, therefore area of the triangle is equal to 42 square centimeters. Units are very important, children. If you don't write units, you may lose 1 mark. According to the rules of the correction, if units are not written, you will be losing marks. So carefully you write. Simply doing the problem will not do. You have to write the units. Always areas should be taken into units of areas are square. If the measures are given in meters, square meters. If the measures are given in centimeters, square centimeters. Here you have got the measure as 12. 12, did they give anything? 12 centimeters he has given. I have not written, children. 12 centimeters and height is 7 centimeters. So measurements are given in centimeters. So definitely answer is in square centimeters. Please note it down. This is example 3. With this, I am concluding my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.